I think I'm invisible, barely a ghost. 'Cause when I walk, they look right through me. And when I talk, no one can hear me. If I disappear today, I bet no one would know. I'm sorry if that makes you worry. I know loving me is such a burden. This siren's going on and on and on and on and on inside my head. I think there's something wrong here, but I'm just too afraid to leave my bed. There's rumors going on and on and on and on since you left me on red. Something strange is going on here. I'm starting now to think I might be dead. I think I'm invisible, barely a ghost. 'Cause when I walk, they look right through me. And when I talk, no one can hear me. If I disappear today, I bet no one would know. I'm sorry if that makes you worry. I know loving me is such a burden. This siren's going